Hey friends, it's Bridget here. Welcome back. Today, I want to show you how I make this flavor packed blue crab dish done just right with buttery garlic, fresh herbs, and a bowl of spice that brings the taste of the island right to your kitchen. Let's get right into it. First, I wash my crabs. They were a little challenging, but I get the job done. Then I move on to my boiling water. I add one lemon. Then I had some culantro, not cilantro, culantro. Then I add some thyme and fresh garlic. I also add a pack of Zatarain seafood seasoning. Then I had this Zatarain liquid flavored mix. Afterwards, I add the crab to my boiling water, making sure that the crab is submerged. Then I add some Zatarain seafood seasoning. I let them boil for about 15 minutes. Then I remove them from their sauce, making sure that you're drained. After they were drained and cool, I then remove them from the shell. Separating it from its shell, guys, and removing the claws and, all the undesirables. After I was finished separating it, I put it under the pipe and I give it a rinse. There you have it, all washed and clean. Then I added some garlic, onion, and bell peppers to some olive oil along with coconut oil. Then I added the crab into the sauteed herbs. Then I add some Tony's Cajun seasoning, some Badea Sazon seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, ground garlic, some parsley, making sure that all these layers of seasoning is evenly distributed. Then I combine it, making sure that the seasoning is going right through under the shell of the crab, guys. Then I add some thyme and Scotch bonnet pepper. I also added some butter and some Texas Peace hot sauce. This is not really a hot sauce, guys, but it has a burst of flavor that is just perfect for your seafood. You can also add your hot sauce of choice. Off camera, guys, I add a little bit of boiling water just to elevate the sauce some. I let that sit for around 15 minutes, guys, making sure that all the flavors that were layered in is nice and cooked in. After I was finished, I plated. The secret to making sure that these flavors are bold and rich, guys, is the layering of the flavors, layering of your seasoning to bring out the flavor. You should have smelled the kitchen. Nice, rich flavor. The sauce, just perfect. Let me know how you like your crab, guys, whether you like it curry or sauteed in herbs and butter and garlic like I did. If you have watched this video to the end, guys, please give it a like, comment, and share. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? The full recipe is in the description below. And to my new subscribers, welcome to our community. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, just wanted to know how much I appreciate you and thank you for being a part of this community. There you have it, guys, and until next time, I catch you in my upcoming videos. Bye.